Alright, gentlemen, we have an absolute clusterfuck of all clusterfuckery going on here. The rails on my bench supply there that are larger than 5 volts are only half an amp each, so I had to connect them in parallel in order to power this thing. But it does power up. Of course, there are no screws in it at the moment, but it does power up, and shit seems to happen. The H19 had no filament voltage on it, so I turned the Z19 into an H19 to make it more authentic. So it still works fortuitously. So let's see. I hope it still works. I haven't had it out for a while. Ah, there we go. Okay. We've got a cursor. It worked the last time I used it. Let's put it that way. Let's fire up this bastard and see what happens. Auto baud routine. There we go. Alright, nice. So it's in packet mode right now. Okay, it went into Morse mode. Baud mode. It appears to be working. All that remains is to make a cable to hook it to a radio. Of course, we can't use a modern radio for it because that would be lame. But I think there's an R599 around here somewhere. I think. I'll have to go find it. I must have put it in the other room. Anyway, so this is cool. The HK-232 is working. It does appear to have PK-232 firmware in it, though, which is interesting. And the firmware is from 1993, so that is really late. So I guess it has been upgraded gratuitously since before. And this is the mailbox board right here. So this is technically the HK-232 MBX, but I think that was a later upgrade too. And whoever assembled this thing did it shittily. As you can see, the mark space meter is too high, and all of these LEDs are too high and are like facing downward because they're these. You can't see them unless I take the board out of the box. There are these right angle double row pin headers that hook this LED board to the main board, and they put them in with the plastic pin holder thing on the wrong side, so this is up higher than it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna have to take that whole thing out and redo those pin headers to get everything down where it's supposed to be. And this LED right here is broken off. These are funny LEDs. You know what? I'll just pull the board out since we're here. It's really hard to get it back in with all those LEDs, but I'm sure you guys want to see it. Man, that regulator's warm. Ooh, maybe I need to turn down the voltage on my power supply. Yeah, so they're those funny LEDs with the little tail on the end of them, and I had a little trouble finding those, but finally did, and ordered some I'm just going to replace all of them because once I redo this, the leads may not be long enough on those. But anyway, so it's working. I just need to hook it to a radio. We'll do that tomorrow, hopefully, if there's time. All right, thanks, bye.